In this video, we're going to explore how WaxWing has transformed the ideation to execution process for your company's marketing initiatives. WaxWing provides a curated list of over 500 marketing strategies, and implementation is incredibly easy with a one-click process. You can filter strategies based on your priorities, whether it's user acquisition or a specific stage of your marketing funnel. To select a strategy, simply review its details and, with a simple click on Generate Plan, WaxWing will generate a comprehensive, step-by-step action plan tailored to your strategy. You can then assign tasks to your team members and prioritize them based on impact and significance. Auto-generated detailed descriptions accompany these tasks, outlining the objectives, the expected outcomes, and how to implement each step while considering all crucial factors. WaxWing also breaks down tasks into manageable subtasks, making assignment and management as streamlined as any other initiative. One of the most useful features is the ability to interact with the AI. This AI-driven conversation provides contextually relevant help. For example, when asking about targeting keywords, it delivers results personalized to your business KPIs, target audience, and the active campaign on your screen. But how does WaxWing provide such advanced assistance? It's through an intelligent knowledge base that accounts for the most impactful factors related to your products or services. It takes into account various user personas, categorized to represent your target audience accurately. It identifies their preferred devices, be it mobile or desktop, and the social media platforms they use most. For example, 80% of WaxWing users are active on LinkedIn, which provides valuable insights for strategic platform selection for campaigns. Furthermore, it understands essential aspects of your business, such as the business summary, its target market, the buyer personas, and many more. This data is summarized for use in every AI interaction. You can input additional information. The more you interact with the AI, the more accurate and tailored the recommendations become. This intelligence includes data on your competitors as well. You can compare your audience with that of your competitors to identify areas where you might gain an edge based on demographics or socioeconomic factors. It also highlights the major markets for you and your top competitors, allowing for more targeted marketing efforts. All this information is integrated into every marketing initiative that you plan on your dashboard. Isn't that seamless? Sign up for a free trial at WaxWing